Hey guys and gals, I have a 2016 Ram 2500 with a 6.7 liter Cummins and 68 RFE automatic transmission. My truck's been doing this whole thing for the tradesman package, obviously. My truck's been doing this probably after 50,000 miles. The truck has like 116 on it right now. 115,000 miles. So it's deleted. It was doing this before it was deleted. So I know it's not an emissions issue. I thought it was an emissions issue originally, but it wasn't. Once I turn it on, you guys will see it's it has a loop. It sounds like it has a cam job. One of my neighbors asked me if my truck had a cam job on it, and no, it's just running shitty. So listen to it when it turns on. You guys see that needle? It's not nearly as bad. It's not nearly as bad when it's in park. The real issue starts when I put it in reverse or drive. You guys, hopefully you can hear it. See how my whole truck just shakes when that loop carries itself down all the way down to the drivetrain. In drive, it's the same thing. But once I get on it a little bit, that loop usually goes away. So freeway speeds, anything over like 15, 20 miles per hour, it's fine. But anything other than that gives that horrible loop. Does it when I'm on low speeds, low RPMs, or I'm not sure if I just notice it when I'm in low RPMs, and probably does it when it's on high RPMs too, but probably just can't notice it. If anybody has any solutions or you're dealing with the same problem, that would be awesome to know. Thank you guys and gals. Have a good one.